Hey guys, welcome to unboxing and review of Skyway 2-in-1 lens. So as we all know, mobile lenses had created a huge impact in the Indian photographic market, mainly among the mobile photographers. Okay, so you can see the video map on the screen. If you're not interested in some of the parts, you can skip the parts. So let's begin. So here's the Skyway box and you can see the logo and also the branding is done on the sides of the box. Okay, good. And when you flip the box, you can see the features, key features, what's inside. And the best part come here, that it is a made in India product. Okay, so let's open the box. Oh, this case is of some good quality of material. Here's something interesting. It's like paper cards for greetings and advertisement. So let's keep it all aside and open the case. Here is a clip, lens and a cloth, probably for cleaning the lens. The quality of the cloth is medium quality. This case is so good. So here is a clip and a lens. You should remove the upper lens for macro and you should join the lower lens and the upper lens together for getting a wide angle view. These are the things associated with the lens. Now let's open the camera and check the wide angle view. Now let's see the macro. It's good. Here the lens is made up of metal, which is of good quality, and the clip is made up of plastic, which I wish should be made up of metal, because we are paying 2000 rupees for this lens, and the glass is also good. Here it is claimed that the clip has anti-scratch mat. So let's check it. Oh, sadly it fails because it do get scratches, but it doesn't mind because the plastic is strong enough. So here is the macro lens and I'm pretty impressed with the macro lens because you can see the images I had clicked with it. And you can see this Instagram profile, Harsh Clicks _ and you can see some of the macro images clicked with this lens, pretty good. So I am pretty impressed with this lens and I have no regret for the macro. So let's join this for a wide angle lens. Okay, done. Now here you can see the photo captured by my mobile and this wide angle lens. But as we move to the corner, the image looks blurry and this look unprofessional. Now let's compare these three photos following by the iPhone camera, iPhone plus Skyway and iPhone wide angle. iPhone camera image is just a standard image. Let's put it aside. The main focus is on iPhone plus Skyway and iPhone wide angle. Now you can clearly see that iPhone wide angle gives you more view than the Skyway lens. So here the Skyway lens has created little blur on the edges while the iPhone wide angle has created noise. And now here you can see the comparison of the portrait and now in the low light. Now while comparing the video by the Skyway lens looks more professional than the video by wide angle lens of the iPhone. So genuinely speaking, the wide angle lens was not that impressive. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the product. The first thing I like about it is that Skyvik has provided us with a very good quality of case. Also, the impression and the build quality of the lens is amazing. The macro lens is very impressive. Also, this lens is very compact and can be easily fit in pocket. Now let's talk about the cons of this lens. First, during the wide angle, you can see a blur at the edges. The second thing I didn't like is that Skyvik didn't provide mini pouch to carry, which I think should be provided, because you cannot carry the case everywhere because it is not compact enough. The last thing is that it gets scratches even after having anti-scratch mat. Now here the conclusion comes that you should buy the lens or not. I kind of tell that you should definitely buy it if you want something new, or if you don't have a wide angle lens. If you had used many lenses in the past and if you want to upgrade, if you have enough money to invest, you should buy it. But if you're first time buying the lens with no knowledge and you have less money to invest and also want a micro lens, so there are cheaper alternatives in the market and which are probably good. But if you want a special macro lens, Skyvik also has a variety of macro lens, from which one of my favorite is Skyvik Signy 25mm. Or if you want a cheaper alternative, you can also buy Ampute 20mm lens. The link will be definitely in the description. Now I want to know your views on this macro lens. If you had used it, how was your experience? Please share right in the comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And also you can check my Instagram, and if you like it, you can follow because I regularly upload photos there. Till then, next video.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home on my own. And